Hi, thank you for joining me. I am going to demonstrate the changing of the windshield wiper blades for a 2009 Jeep Patriot. So right now I have both of these up. It's really easy, and that's why I'm showing it to you. And looking on the back, it tells you this whole blade unit. See if I can zoom out. This entire blade unit here, which is the entire windshield wiper blade, it has this piece here that has to snap up into what I like to call the arm. This arm piece right here, and I'm going to remove that so you can see it. For this car, most of the recommendations are a 21-inch for both driver and passenger side, and some tell you that you can use a 20-inch on the driver's side and a 21-inch on the passenger side. I just stick with the 21-inch on both. Okay, so there's a little piece in here. Can you hear that? It snaps, and then that should, I'm pressing it in with my thumb up against this metal piece. Be careful, don't break this, or it will be somewhat expensive to replace. Get a little help because I only have two hands. So I'm going to press this in here. I'm going to take this hand and push it down, and it should come, this arm should come up in between this blade piece. Once it lets loose, I then take this mechanism here. Well, it fell right off. It fits right in there. And so installation is going to be the same. See that little arm piece there? That's a nice curvature. This curved piece fits in there, and then it snaps in place. So leaving this perfectly aligned, this piece here, I'm going to leave it perfectly aligned here, and I'm going to thread this down on there and then hook it and pull it straight outward until it snaps, and there you have it, it's in. And so we're going to do the other side the same way. Squeeze it with the hand. Can you feel the piece that squeezes? And grab this whole thing.
I don't feel that slide.
It's not going to slide that way. Hold it in this direction and slide it down. There you go. Okay. And it lifts right off. Perfect. Find the piece that shaped like this. This has to come off too. See, that piece has to come off.
And then
it really is hooking. This piece hooks right onto a piece in there. Let's see.
Is this the right way?
This, turn it this way. See this hook piece right here? It's going to have to hook onto there. So turn it flat, flush. Turn this piece. And then turn it like that, because it's got to fit right on there. It's going to fit down up in there. Can you see the piece where you're trying to put it at? Push this up in there first.
Oh, yeah, you said that.
Is it in there? And then pull. Did it snap into place?
I ain't feel no snap.
There you go. There. I gave it a little tug. You can't hurt it. It snaps right up flush on this piece right here. And now it's in there. And we will now test those out. The rear is done the same way. When the wipers move across the windshield now, it doesn't sound squeaky. It's real nice and smooth. So thank you for joining me. Until next time.